All right, so for number one, we're trying to fill out this table. Let's look at some of the easy information first. Okay, so we look at our alphas, and that can help us to find our alphas. We need to look at our confidence level. So the confidence level here is 0.95, means the alpha is 0.05. Remember, they have to add up to 1, which means for the second row, 0.9 means our alpha is 0.1. And then we got to work backwards for this last row. We know our alpha of 0.08, which means our confidence level is 0.92. Okay, so for the next bit, let's look at, I'm going to start filling out this first row, okay? So the one prob z interval will help us find our confidence interval, so we can use our calculator for that, which will spit out a interval of 0.173 to 0.427. And then again, we can plug this into our calculator again, but this time with the z-test, we plug in all of this information. Our p-value comes out to 0.192, okay? And then we look at our p-value versus our alpha. That is greater than, so that means we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Okay. Then for our second one, to find our number of successes, okay, we got to look for p hat. Remember, p hat's going to be right here in the middle of this interval. Okay, so I added those up, divided by 2 to get the average, to get me 0.6, and then I multiply 0.6 times 150 to get my x, which comes out to be 90. Okay, and then for our second column here, we got to fill in our alternative, which is going to be p is not equal to 0.68. Okay, and our p-value comes out to, what is that, 0.0357, again using your calculator. Let's see, 0.0357 is less than 10%, so this is, we reject the null hypothesis. Okay, for the last row, same thing, throw this in your calculator to find your interval. You get 0.7424 to 0.8766. Okay, our null hypothesis is going to be p is equal to 0.73. Throw all this in your calculator for the p-value, and we get 0.0664. And of course, they reject that at the point, or at the 8% alpha significance level. All right, so that's that one.